In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D cartoon images in the Meta AI app. To get started, open the Meta AI app on your mobile device and begin a new chat. This gives you a clean space to enter your image request clearly. Once you're in the chat, tap the prompt box and describe the image you want to create. The more specific you are, the better your result will usually be. If your goal is to generate a 3D cartoon image, make sure your prompt includes style phrases that guide the AI in the right direction. Useful wording includes terms like 3D cartoon style, 3D animated character, Pixar style animation, stylized 3D render, or 3D cartoon artwork. These phrases help shape the overall visual look and tell Meta AI that you want something dimensional, animated, and character driven rather than flat or realistic. For example, you could type something like, create a 3D cartoon image of a young adventurer standing in a magical forest, stylized 3D animation, detailed lighting, vibrant colors, and expressive facial features. That kind of prompt works well because it gives the AI both a subject and a visual direction. To improve the result even more, add details about the character's appearance, clothing, pose, facial expression, background, and lighting. These extra elements help the AI build a more complete image and often make the final result feel more polished and intentional. Clear visual descriptions usually lead to more accurate outputs. Once your prompt is ready, send it and wait for Meta AI to generate the image. After it appears, take a moment to review it carefully and check whether it matches the 3D cartoon style you asked for. Look at the shape of the character, the textures, the lighting, and the overall mood to see if it fits what you had in mind. If instead you want to transform an existing image, upload that image directly into the chat. Then ask Meta AI to convert it into a 3D cartoon style while preserving the main subject and the important details. This is especially useful if you already have a photo or design and want to give it a more animated look without losing the original identity of the image. You can also experiment with alternative style descriptions, such as 3D animated movie character, toy-like 3D render, cinematic 3D cartoon, or high-detail 3D illustration. Small wording changes can produce noticeably different results. Keep refining your prompt until you're happy with the image. Once you're satisfied, save it or share it using the options available in the Meta AI app.